Hi, John McGuire with McGuire Law Firm, and in this video I'm going to talk about IRS Form 12153. This can be a very important form for individuals that are having debts or disputes with the IRS. What it is, it's basically the form you would file to request a collection due process hearing. You have the right to request this hearing and thus file the Form 12153 when the IRS has issued certain notices. Most importantly, a final notice of intent to levy. So on this form, you basically would state your information, whatever the taxpayer's name is. If it's you individually, it's going to be your individual name, address, social security number, so forth. If it's a business, you would provide the business information. And then you state the tax periods that are at issue and what is your request in terms of an alternative to collective action. Why does the IRS not need to enforce collection of a debt? Because, are you going to settle the tax debt with an offer in compromise? Are you going to satisfy the tax debt with an installment agreement? Then you file this form. Generally, you're going to send it to the address at which you received the form from, and you'll eventually get a notice that the appeals office has received your request. Then eventually the IRS appeals office will call a hearing date and request certain information, and you get to have a hearing with an appeals officer whereby you can make your argument, so to speak, as to, how are you going to resolve this matter. The appeals officer also looks at the procedure and collection action taken by the IRS to make sure that they have basically given you your due process and not overstepped their bounds and so forth. So it can be a very useful tool if, say, the IRS is looking to collect a tax debt from you. You know you need to resolve it, but you're not ready and you need a little time, and maybe you want to work with someone other than the revenue officer you're working with, or someone other than automated collections. So if you have any questions, I've represented a lot of taxpayers before the IRS, very successful in resolving these issues and then hopefully keeping the individual or business out of tax trouble in the future. Please give our firm a call. We offer all potential clients a free consultation, and we would welcome the opportunity to meet with you. Thank you very much.